This is my husband Joel.
Hello.
Right now we are on our way to Moab. It's part in the Utah. We are doing this vlog just to share our first like RV rent experience on camping. So
Come join us and we'll meet you there in about 3 hours.
in about 3 hours.
Yeah, we'll give you a tour. We're going to have some good Filipino food. We'll introduce you to what's called glamping, which I guess it's a combination of glamour and camping, or luxury camping at the OK campsite. So we'll meet you over there. So join us for the trip, and we're going to have some fun and some good food. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you in a few hours.
See you in a bit.
Leaving Green River, Utah.
Yeah.
Maybe another 35 minutes and we'll give you a tour.
Right.
We're still here though, don't worry.
See ya.
See you later.
Hi, Tom Bodette. Motel 6 knows sometimes you just need a great place for a quick night's stay in town. Oh great. Alarm batteries are going out in my house again. So is that the hallway or the living room? Well, if you need a night somewhere else because the AC's out or whatever, you can always charge your batteries in Motel 6 without spending a lot. I'm Tom Bodette from Motel 6 and we'll leave the light. Okay, definitely the living room.
You know that maintaining your home indoors and out means working with best brands. Lowe's helps you do it right by carrying trusted names like John Deere and Craftsman. And we help you save on them too. Now when you buy a John Deere Z-Track zero-turn mower, get a $200 Lowe's gift card for your memory rebate. And you can get your choice of a Craftsman 20-volt battery.
Hello. Yes, we made it to beautiful Canyonlands, Moab, Utah. This is going to be our RV rental for tonight. It's a concept called glamping, which is a combination of glamorous camping. I can see some kind of advantages of renting an RV instead of like buying one, especially if you're only occasionally using your RV. This is a good alternative. But anyway, we finally made it. We're about 3.5 hours southeast of our home in Draper, Utah, and we just arrived. So let's take a look and see the setup here. Come along. Thanks. Like we got like a picnic table and a nice little campsite with chairs already. We actually did bring our own chairs, but it looks like we're set. The kids are in the Philippines right now, so it's just going to be the two of us, but we're excited to bring them here, and you'll meet them in some of our other upcoming blogs. But it's me and Carol tonight, and so yeah, here we go. Looks like they have also a barbecue here, which is nice. So by the way, this is called the OK RV campsite in Moab. It's off the Spanish Trail. If you want any more information about Moab or glamping or the campground here, then just go ahead and like us or ask a question, and we'd be happy to answer that on any of our upcoming blogs. But anyway, enough about me. Let's go in and let's see if it's unlocked first. Yep, yay. Perfect. Okay, watch your step coming up. We went through kind of the end, so we're going into the bedroom first. Looks like it's really nice, AC cool here. Got a full king-size bed. Let's try to find the lights and turn things on, and yeah, here we go. Smells new, pretty fancy. This is the bathroom area. It looks like it's got a shower, so you know, here we go. Already got some leftover shampoo, it looks, for us, so you know, from whoever rented before, so thank you. We appreciate that. We didn't bring any, I don't think, so A lot of towels, good storage. You don't have to worry about towels and toilet paper. It looks like they really stuck it really nice here. So yeah, we're excited, and we're gonna do glamping for the first time. So we're glad that you came along with us, and you know, and you're all a part of it. So yeah, here we go. So it looks like it's got like a nice little table. What's good too, it's got really little kitchen here, just kind of like a miniature home almost. So microwave. My wife was asking if they had a microwave, and I said I don't know. We'll come here and we'll find out. This is our first experience too, so yeah, they got it set up really good, and got some couch. It's like they have like an electric fireplace here. It's nice and roomy, and pretty good sized living room. I'm kind of surprised how big it is. So I thought, you know, it's just gonna be the two of us, but I know they have like 2-bedroom RVs, also 2 or 3 bedrooms, I think. But since it's just gonna be us tonight, we just rented a 1-bedroom. So yeah, it's a basic tour, and I guess we'll get settled in, and we'll get back with you soon. Thanks.
Hi, so we are going to the office, informing them that we already checked in, and then we can show you around the camp, the RV camp. It's so hot over here right now. Actually, it's already around 5-ish in the afternoon, but the sun is still so bright. It's like 1 p.m. in the Philippines.
It's 5:30 now.
It's 5:30.
Probably in the 90s, I would think.
Yeah, so we can show you around the camp. Yeah, so this is their office.
I believe so. Let's find out.
So if you wanna if you like this video, guys, you can just subscribe it. If you want us to make more videos, or if you can leave a comment. Office register ahead. That's the arrow. 5 miles per hour.
Yeah, it's 5 miles per hour.
So it's not here. Are we going to walk into the office?
Hopefully, yeah. It says office 100 yards ahead right there. With a sign.
So
is
it
the
walking?
maintenance building, so we get our directions easily confused. So it's normal for us, so don't worry about it. This is the street that we came in. That was on a Spanish Trail, so I think we kind of went through the back road and entered the back here. So
Is it a walking distance, babe, going to the office?
yeah, remember the sign I just showed you? 100 yards.
I don't know what 100 yards.
The size of a football field.
Oh, okay. Because it's too hot.
It's about 30 meters, you know, meters.
So guys, this is our first vlog. So if you want us to make other vlogs, or just comment and subscribe, and then can ask questions. How did we, like the information, how did we rented the RV, or how did we...
Or if you want to ask questions about Utah or
Yeah.
the Philippines, she's from
Philippines.
the island of Mindanao.
Oh
so.
no, I'm so dumb. The history. Just ask about Utah, and then my husband can answer.
No history questions, but
No
just
history.
general things that
Yeah.
about the Philippines.
About the Philippines.
You want to ask history about Utah, you can ask me. I know somewhat about Utah.
Yeah.
Been here long enough, so.
And earlier too, before we arrived here, like 45 minutes away from here, we ate lunch in the Green River, and there is a
I think it's
museum.
a Tamarack restaurant. It's a restaurant along the Green River. It's right across from the John Wesley Powell Museum.
Mm-hmm.
I believe it was the Tamarack.
Yeah,
It's called,
Tamarack.
Yeah. It was
Yeah, so in front of this restaurant, if of that restaurant is a museum. And yeah, so
Yeah, we did a little selling. I also do make flutes, so we made a little bit of sell on the way to kind of help pay for all this. So kind of detour the costs when we can. We'll write it off as a business expense later.
yeah, so we went to the museum, and then my husband like introduced his flute. Actually, he sold some of his products over there before, but that was like 3 years ago, right, babe?
Yeah, I used to sell rock art when I had the rock art business.
Rock art. But now he's
I'm
just
trying to-
making an
Just doing it
part-time.
part-time for fun right now. And, you know, see how things are going. With
Mhm.
it.
Is this the office, babe?
Yeah.
Office snacks. Yeah.
Probably got a little store here, maybe, so you can get ice. Looks like they're closed though. So, you can email them if you can.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, it's already closed. Maybe they're closed like 5, and then.
They said they're open to 7:30. They probably just had to go somewhere.
So it's already closed, guys. Like it's closed.
But at least we know where it is now, so next time we go, we can take you direct to the office. And yeah. So, like, our first time experience doing this, so, you know, you're
We're still like,
wandering around. But
yeah, and trying to figure out how is it. So those first timers, renters, RV there, like, just bear with us. Where is it, babe?
around the other side.
Easily get lost.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
How would you-
Oh, babe. Hi guys, so we are now back for our mukbang. We have the okra salad, the talong, and the mix with the pork and the chicken
What does
barbecue.
mukbang mean again?
Huh?
Mukbang?
Mukbang.
Mukbang?
Yeah.
What is that again?
It's a mukbang. It's like, we call it like, it's a lots of food, and then you just like enjoy eating.
Okay.
And then I have a rice over here.
Alright, guess we'll dig in now.
Gonna try.
Give it a try. First time I've tried this one. Some okra, huh? Your salad.
Yeah.
Mm.
You can make a sauce for our barbecue. Oh. What if we'll go on live, babes, on Facebook? Hmm?
You can switch it.
Yeah.
of rock and sediments and streams, rivers and seas. The erosional process that carved these intricate canyons are gravity, the river, wind, moisture, and the freezing and thawing actions of water. The hardness of the layer of rock determines if it forms a cliff or slope.
Hello mga friendship. So I am back now. So kararating lang namin galing Moab, maybe around, what time is that, babe? Like
6:30
6:30?
that we got back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6:30.
And then we left there like,
There was this dinosaur museum. We left there about 3:30.
yeah, so we still check in the, we checked the restaurant but we didn't check the museum, just in the restaurant. So we left there like around 3:30 in the afternoon, and then that is still in Moab. And then so when we went to the Dead Horse Point State Park, there is a gift store over there, and then we checked their gift store, and then we got like just a little stuff that we like. So we got this hat because it's kind of like hot over there. So bumili kami nito. I just forgot how much is it. How much is it, babe?
I don't know.
I think
14. I don't know.
it's $13.99 bucks.
Okay.
I think.
That's a good guess. That's a good guess.
And then this one, a mug. I like it.
$7.95.
This one?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, so it's there's no, so it's $7.95. This is the view of the Dead Horse Point. And then we got this. Actually, this one is for the kid size, but I don't. My size is in the kid size, so I choose this one. It is actually $8.99 bucks only, and it is large for the kid size. It's like 10 to 12 large, and yeah, it's just right for me. At least it's not small in the kid size. And the last one is this one. It's for my husband. It is the Dead Horse Point design, and it is size large because my husband is size large, and it is $24.99. Oh, I didn't know that it's $24.99, babe.
Is that too expensive?
Too expensive.
Yeah. You grabbed it, so I'll take it.
Yeah, but I like it. It's, the cloth is kind of shiny.
Pricey, but good style.
Yeah. Well, it's
We won't do that again.
this is the last. We will check the next.
Check the price next.
Check the price next
Instead of
time.
just the design.
Yeah. So anyway, I would just like to tell what's like my review on renting an RV. Well, for me, actually, it is nice because you can like sleep in a good king size bed, and it's so comfortable that you don't need to like worry that you're outside and sleeping in a tent if there's some kind of wild animals we don't know. And then you're just so safe, and then you can take your shower, and you just like you're at home and so comfy. But because we rented it just for one night, and like the rent per night is separate from the cleaning fee. So the rent per night is on that RV parking lot is around
85.
85 per night. And then we thought that it's gonna be included for everything, like all the cleaning and utilities, but it's not. So the cleaning fee is 70.
66.
Oh, no.
$66.
Is it?
Yeah. Then there was taxes that added to it. So.
Ah, okay. So the cleaning fee is 66 bucks, and then including the tax. So we paid like overall like 163 just for one night. So if you're thinking, if you rent in a motel or a hotel, you you're not gonna like pay that much. But if you are thinking to, if you will stay there for, it's better to stay there for more than a night, like maybe at least 3 nights. And then you can just, you don't need to, if you want to save, you don't need to like go to the restaurant and eat. You just like buy your stuffs, groceries before you went to your camping, and you can just cook in there. You can grill outside. So you see, nakita nyo naman sa labas ng RV, there is a grill there, but we're not using the charcoal, we're using the propane. I mean, their grill is a propane grill. And then, yeah, it is nice actually. It's very, very clean and very comfy. So that's what I can tell. Like, if you want to experience an RV and you don't own your own RV, then you can just rent. But it's better to rent it more than a night, because it's gonna be worth it to stay, and it's only one pay for the cleaning fee.
Because the cleaning fee is per stay.
Per stay, not per night or per day. So it's better to stay there. If only we can stay there for like a whole week, we will. But because we have work tomorrow, I have work tomorrow night. My husband have work Thursday
Morning.
Well, today is Tuesday and tomorrow is Wednesday, so I will be working Wednesday night. So yeah, so we don't have a choice. We need to come back, and I don't want to like come back the next day and then work that night, because I want to like take a nap before my work. So yeah, so next time we will like plan ahead of time and like more days to stay. So it's gonna be not so rush. We're always in a rush, I think. And then we are actually planning to go for a long hike, but we couldn't. We don't have an energy. Like my husband drove there for like 3.5 to 4 hours. And then when we get there, got so
It
tired.
felt pretty good.
I know, but we fall asleep early. We're watching. Well, actually, I will have to tell this. The RV that we rented, there is a free Wi-Fi. They have a TV that has. Is this a? Was it a cable, babe, or just
Yeah, they
connected?
have cable TV shows and Netflix.
And yeah, they have a cable TV shows, and there's also a Netflix. And yeah, so it's gonna be like just very. So they call it glamping. That's what my husband said, and the vlog. I mean,
On the website, they call it glamping. Yeah.
yeah, on the website they call it glamping. Like it's a combination of glamour and camping. So it's not really like off grid. Yeah, so anyway guys, enough for that. If you have, comment, or like if you have a comment or suggestions, that any kind of suggestions, that what, or questions, then just leave a comment below. But don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you want us to make another video.
Also, any suggestions you have for a blog?
Yeah,
That'd be great. We'd love to do something that where it's.
like it's from you guys, like any suggestions. And if you like us to make more videos, then please hit the subscribe button, and then we will, during my week off, I have a long days off, and then we can make other videos. Alright, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I didn't say that.
See you.
See ya guys. Bye.